All right, it is our favorite time when we answer your questions. First up, Mark in Florida is asking if now is a good time to be in biotech, Megan, generally, biotech.
Yeah, I mean, we like biotech. We like medical devices. Within the healthcare space, it is one of the areas that has less political risk. I would say they also have a good innovation pipeline, pretty good earnings, visibility. Just to think about the innovation that is coming down the pipeline, if you think about robotic surgery within medical devices, that is an area that has about a 2% penetration. A lot of room to grow, a lot of room for multiple players, so we do like the space.
Okay. Rob in Toronto wants to know if anybody likes Lowe's, Michael, at this price. And that's L-O-W-E-S.
L-O-W-E-S. Yes, I like it. Now, they've had, some tough quarters out there, but this is a Amazon-proof stock. Housing affordability is improving. Earnings are going up. Earnings are going up faster than housing prices, and mortgage rates are coming down. They're also moving into the pro sector. So I think at this level, yeah, I own it. I buy it. I'd buy more today.
Okay, Joe, I think it's an interesting one because the stock is so widely talked about. At what level, Joe, would you go long Chipotle? Because Chipotle is the best performing stock of this year in the S&P 500 already.
Well, you wanted to go long at 385, but you missed the boat on that.
You did.
I've played Chipotle from the long side throughout this year. I've been using the 100-day moving average, which seems to be holding up phenomenally well as a line in the sand, a tremendous point of reference of support. Right now, the 100-day moving average sits at 772. I understand that's about $50 below where the current price is, but they're going to be reporting earnings here in the next 10 to 15 days. Let's listen to those earnings. You get a pullback down to around 772. Those instances have been buying opportunities over the last year.
And isn't this, before we get to another, isn't this such an amazing story? To your point, I mean, when they had the health scares, everyone said dump Chipotle, it's left for dead, all these problems, and yet look at his 450 bucks higher than it was at those lows. It's a lesson that bad times don't last forever.
Well, and
unless they do.
It's a lesson in strong marketing and the transformation and usage of digital, because digital is really powering the growth of Chipotle.
It's another lesson to buy them when everybody else hates them. I mean, you can chase these things, and it was the Apple story. I mean, do you buy them? Everybody likes buying them when they're at new highs. Yeah. Nobody likes them when they're low. You find a really good company.
You should have bought Apple when they came out with the Newton. All right, Pete, do you think that Activision, Pete, pay attention.
Yeah, I'm listening to you.
We got a question from a viewer.
Activision.
Fully valued?
I think it's enough value in there. It's moved up from 42 to 56 very rapidly. I took off 70% of what I own in there right now, so I'm holding on to a piece, but that's only a stub of what I had. So I would say, yes, wait for a pullback.
Okay, finally, John, Micron, MU, have more upside?
Yes. I think you've got the improved hyperscale DRAM. That's moving up. Their NAND, I think, is also very popular right here. And I think you're getting a gift picking it up on a low, and then you load up on those lows, just like Mike said.